So I got left this Meccano made in France from Dinky Toys, Meccano made in France, a Noratlas 804, and the front strut's broken, and he's wondering, can I repair the front strut for him. I've been looking at it for a day now, but it's very small and I need to get a pin in here and get this little flat on the side or support on the side up. And that's what I'll use. I've got to look at one and see if they're the same style of support for the front. But most likely I have to put a pin in here somewhere to make this work. So still debating how to do it so that it actually lasts and doesn't break off. So, but I think I'll drill a pinhole in it first. So there we go. So I put a drill in here and it snapped off, and so I'm stuck now. So I'm putting this tin in to support the little piece of metal, and the metal will go on the side here afterwards, epoxied in as well. So I put this in, I'll let this dry, and then I'll put the square strut on. It's going to have to come up to about this level in the end, right? I put it longer so I can cut it off. So I'm just going to leave that dry for 24 hours and then come back to it. So here you go. Here's the piece in the vice grips, and the vice grips, I'll pan down, is in the actual vise itself, but because my jaws aren't angled straight enough or sharp enough, I put it in here. And now I'm just filing the strut of the airplane, which, if you looked in the airplane itself, has a little wedge down here, right? And they have two little edges on it, and I'm just making that piece. You know, 6 months of filing in apprenticeship is paying off right now. So you just keep doing it nice and calmly on this aluminum, which is quite soft. It won't take long. Someone said you should use a 3D printer, but I'll get this done as quick as that.